Today I'm going to teach you frozen rail shots, how to sink that ball, and how to play position. Hey everybody, welcome to Learn Billiards. I'm Eddie Altman, your PBIA instructor. Alright, so here we are at the table. We're going to go on shot number 1. So here's the layout. My 11 ball is frozen on the rail. Obviously this whole video is about frozen rail shots. I'm on the second diamond. So remember, pockets counted as a diamond. So there's 1 diamond, 2 diamond, frozen on the rail. My cue ball is 1 diamond up my long rail, 1 diamond in from my short rail. So again, I use those binders. All right, so I want to sink that 11 ball in a corner pocket, and I got to get position. So here's my target area, and I'm on the center diamond. So again, remember, pockets are 1 diamond. So 1, 2 diamond, 3 diamond. I'm 3 diamonds over, and I want to get, oh, I messed that up, and I want to get position in this area right here. So I'm going to take this slow speed follow shot. You see, it puts me right in the red. It's right where I want to be. Again, super simple shot, but this drill, what I'm doing is we're going to take the same shot over and over, but you're going to see the difference in position that we get. So that's shot number 1. And we're playing for position in this target area right here. So I'll take that shot again. It's a slow speed follow shot. You can see, again, right on our target area. So very simple shot. All right, so here we are on shot number 2. Same exact layout, and my target area has changed. Now I'm gonna go for the center of the table. So to achieve that, I'm going to go with a slow draw shot. Now you can see how drawing the ball changed the angle after the point of contact. So instead of rolling up on the long rail, like when I did a follow shot, it put me over here. Now I did the same exact shot, but I used a soft draw, and it brought me to the center of the table. So that one's shot number 2. It's all about the touch on this particular shot. If you hit it too hard, you're gonna decrease the angle it comes off, and it's gonna go further down to the other end of the table. All right, so here we are, center of the table. That's our target area. I'm gonna take that shot again. It's a soft draw shot. Boom, right on the bullseye. So again, remember this, these shots, it's the same layout. My cue ball's in the same position, my object ball's in the same position. The only thing I'm doing is changing the point of contact, whether it be a follow shot or a draw shot. So let's go on to shot number 3. All right, so now here we are on shot number 3. And this is the same exact layout again. My object ball and my cue ball, same exact position. As you can see, my target zone is now all the way down to the other end of the table. So how do we get position over here? Well, this is going to be a medium to hard speed shot. And I'm going to use a little bit of right, top right English. And I'm going to bring the cue ball around to get in that shape zone. All right, so let's go ahead and take the shot. The speed is right, I'll just make it on there. I just missed it. So now I know, again, that's why these are practice drills. I need to adjust my speed. All right, so we're gonna take that shot. Remember, high right. There you go. I wind up right on the green. So again, I just showed you the same exact layout. Meaning cue ball, object ball, they're in the same position on all 3 shots, and 3 totally different outcomes. So That's just showing you how to control the cue ball. I mean, you know, I went from one extreme to the other. We did a soft follow shot, brought me over here to the side rail. Then I brought it to the center of the table. And then the last shot, I was able to control the cue ball all the way to the other end of the table, right where I want to be. So remember, these shots are crucial. You know, you don't always have an easy layup, so being able to control this cue ball to where you want, I mean, that's the key to, you know, improving in your pool game. So I hope you enjoyed this one. If you enjoyed the video, hope you got some valuable information out of it. And if you'd like to get in touch with me, I'll leave a link below to my website, learnbilliards.com. Anybody interested in taking billiard lessons, just hit me up and we'll see what arrangements that we can make. So again, I greatly appreciate everybody joining me, and I look forward to bringing you many, many more videos.